Hello friend. Once again, welcome to Digital DB YouTube channel, your one-point destination for digital guide videos. I hope you are doing good. Hey friend, do you want to create a professional YouTube thumbnail in just 5 minutes without expensive software or design skills? Today, I'm going to show you how to make eye-catching thumbnails for free using ChatGPT. So, if you are struggling with low clicks, fewer views, and poor engagement, stick around, because a great thumbnail can change everything for your channel. My friend, before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about why thumbnails matter. Think about it. When someone sees your video on YouTube, they make a split-second decision to click or scroll on. If your thumbnail is boring, blurry, or messy, you lose views. But if it's bold, clear, and eye-catching, your video gets more clicks, more views, and more subscribers. Okay friend, now, let's create a thumbnail in 5 minutes, using ChatGPT. Think that you have video of cooking, momos. Now, for uploading video on YouTube, you wanna make attractive thumbnail, on the topic how to cook momos. Okay, my dear friend, to make thumbnail, first go to ChatGPT, and type the instructions to ChatGPT like this. As we are trying to make thumbnail for YouTube, let's write, create image for YouTube thumbnail, on the topic how to cook momos. After this let us, give more instruction to ChatGPT like, use bold texts, bright and eye-catching colors and include people busy cooking momos. So friend, after writing instruction to ChatGPT, click on the upward arrow, and wait for a while. The ChatGPT will take some time, and display the thumbnail image for you. Remember my friend, the more detailed instructions you give to ChatGPT, the more detailed and attractive image you will get. Here, you can see my friend, our YouTube thumbnail on how to cook momos is ready. The ChatGPT has done its work, and suggested a wonderful thumbnail for us. Now, if you like the thumbnail, then you can download, or take the screenshot of the image and you can use it in your YouTube thumbnail while uploading video. But if you want more better and customized image, then you can provide more detail to ChatGPT and ask for more images for free. Here we go my friend. In today's video, we learn step-by-step way of making free, attractive and eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube video in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT. Hey friend, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe my Digital DB YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting more interesting videos like this in future. So, till then stay safe my friend, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.